Failure dumb bars, demolition missile grips, FIT DLR Rasta stem, Eastern Harvester 20.75 frame, FBM integrated headset, FIT Shiv forks, Odyssey GI pegs, G-Sport gland hub guard, Primo N4 hub laced to the lime green demolition zero rim, Demolition 2.0, Demolition Medio 2.0 cranks, Odyssey twisted plastic PC pedals, Animal Vinny 25 tooth sprocket, KMC chain, I forgot the actual name of it, KL7 something, I don't know. Primo pivotal post and a Shadow Conspiracy Orion, well, sure, I don't know, but yeah, Shadow Conspiracy seat, pivotal, and then Primo Mix 9-tooth left-hand drive cassette hub laced to a black chrome demolition rim, and a FBM hub guard and another GI peg, a Kenda tire. I got it used and it's still lasting me, so yeah. All up front is a FIT FAF 2.25 tire and a 1.95 in the back. So yeah. The back rim on here is so old. Yeah. Look at the gnome. On a red line Spanish bottom bracket.